The second patient who has tested positive for the coronavirus is quarantined at this facility. The Maxeke Hospital in Johannesburg is one of 3 designated to treat COVID-19 patients.
I can say that the patient that has been taken to Maxeke will be isolated. All the protocols as prescribed also by the World Health Organization, the Department of Health must be followed and will be followed.
On Thursday, the department confirmed the first case. The 38-year-old KwaZulu-Natal man travelled to Italy with his wife and returned home on the 1st of March. They travelled via Dubai to the King Shaka International Airport. The Hilton-based man then consulted a doctor on the 3rd, this after presenting flu-like symptoms and self-isolated. He's been kept at a designated hospital. On Friday, the department said he was in a stable condition. All remaining members of the travel group have been quarantined.
We're dealing with a number of persons that are coming through various airports. These others, we will be establishing all those details later as we release the information. But all of them have been asked to go into voluntary quarantine in their own homes, and they've all been tested. And we release the results as they get ready one by one.
16 Tibet College students from Limpopo arrived back from China on Friday. They were quarantined in that country and tested negative. On arrival in Limpopo, they were again tested and cleared. The decision was to reintegrate them swiftly. They were in that country as part of an exchange program. Earlier, 2 South Africans working on the cruise ship the Princess Diamond, which anchored off the coast of Japan, also tested positive. Both have since been cleared after undergoing treatment.
There will be more cases identified in South Africa. They are increasing in every part of the world. As we speak today, we have probably about 94 countries that have got the disease identified. When it was notified about 2 months ago, there only were about 5 countries that were involved. So the number has increased in such a way that every country should expect that it will be detecting people who have got this virus.
I think we must also be careful that this pandemic is not driven too much by hysteria and perception. Because if you think about it, in 2017, in Africa and India, there were more than 500,000 deaths from malaria. So very clearly, we have a big challenge. We've got to handle it. We've got to deal with it in a responsible way. But it mustn't be perception-driven.
The second confirmed coronavirus case comes as the country prepares to receive over 180 citizens from China. The National Joint Operational and Intelligence Structure is facilitating the repatriation from the city of Wuhan, the epicenter of the outbreak. Gillian Pillay, SABC News, Johannesburg.